Farm Tour 2022. Let's get it going. All right, so this bed here, we have peppers. So all these are peppers, and there's one over there too. Okay, then up here we've got tomato plants. So there's one there and one there. There are a couple here. And then right in the back, we've got a couple cucumbers. So back here with our farm dog, we have a pumpkin that if we get lucky, it's gonna be massive. We'll see if that works. This bed over here is pretty much a mirror of the one I just showed you. You can see this cucumber over here, a tomato, more tomatoes. These tomato plants are smaller. And then we've got all of the peppers over there. We have a second pumpkin over here. And then let's see, what do we got over here? All right, we've got peas over here. Some appears to be nomming on them and they really need to be weeded. We'll see if we end up with anything. We've got 3 zucchini plants. 1, 2, 3. If you look real close, you can see some radishes in there. This needs to be weeded. Everything needs to just be constantly weeded. We've got some cabbage in here. Those are starting to get bigger. Let's see, what do we have over here? So along here we've got a bunch of cucumber plants. And down here we have more peppers. We ended up with a ton of peppers this year. Down here we have some lettuce. We have some Swiss chard here. And then some more lettuce down here. Right in here, we've got some potatoes. You can see that's one potato plant coming up. And over here, we've got a bunch of beans. We'll see if those do anything good. And then over here is our herb garden. This is I want to say it's a lemongrass, but it tastes like lemon. It smells like lemon. We've got a couple basil. We've got a couple different cilantro plants because I love cilantro. I believe that's an oregano. I believe Chris said he threw some carrot seeds over there, so that's the one non-herb thing over here. So I think those will hopefully come up. We've got a rosemary here, and then we have the girls. Oh.